Okay, so my brother just poured a little salt in the ground beef.
Oh no, don't tell me secret.
And now I'm going. Right now we have the
Yeah, so what's in here? The ground beef, the onions, the diced onions, and the chopped up garlic.
Yeah.
That's just all in here. It's simmering right now. So Dezz, tell me what you're about to add in the pot.
So I'm about to add the sausage that we had earlier that was cooking in here. So now
My brother diced it up, cut it up.
So I'm about to pour the sausage into the ground beef.
To the pot. That's right. Add more flavor. I'm about to get the boiling pot of water ready so I can get ready to cook the noodles. I don't want to tell you all my secret ingredients, but I'm about to pour a little some into the pot so that it can have some, flavor. Yeah, I can say flavor. Yeah, so this is just another phase in our little meal for today. All right. Get this one over too. Ha! That's in the 40. Alright, so pour that ragu in here, bro. Pour that ragu. That's right. Got two different tomato flavoring sauce in here. Right. A little variety. This is gonna be good. Whoa. I just said like G-U-U-D. All right. That was an effect. All right, so we're just gonna let it simmer. Grab the top. That's right. Another phase. I'm gonna show y'all the end result, which is it in our belly.